Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SkillSetGo. In the previous video, we have seen the most used shortcuts in Android Studio. So in this video, we will see how to write a logs in Android app and how to filter those apps and see the levels of the logs in the logcat. So here we have a on-click listener. In activity main XML, we have a button, click to show toast, and for that button, we have on-click listener. So we will add a logs in this function. So we have a log class in the package Android util. You can see Android util, and we have different functions like D. D means debugger, E means error, and I means information. And there is W, which is warning. So these are the most used functions in the log. Just select D. It will take a tag and a message. So just select tag means just to indicate which class this log is related, means where this log comes from. So just enter main activity. As this is a main activity class, just write main activity as tag and the actual message, the log message. Just write this is debug logs. This is debug logs. So this is D means refers to debug. If you want to enter any error log, again use log class and select function with E. This also takes tag and the message. For tag, write the same class, as we should know from where this log comes from, and write error message. Just write this is error message. And there is also I, which is related to information. This also takes a tag. Just write main activity and write a message. This is information. And there is also warning. So with W, this also takes a tag and a message. Just write this is warning message. So these are the 4 types of loggers we use mainly in an Android app. So just run this app now. The Gradle build is running. So on click of this button, we need to see a toast, and in the logs we need to see these logs: the debugger log, error log, information log, and the warning log. So the Gradle build is running, is getting installed. Now we have got the screen and we have wrote all logs in the on-click listener. Just clear all logs first, then enter, click to show toast. Just click on this. So here you have seen this is toast message, and let's see in logcat whether these logs are there or not. So the first thing, if you want to see logs, you need to know how to filter those logs. First you need to select the device here. Here we are using an emulator for running, so we will be selecting an emulator. So I have also connected to mobile, but I have run this emulator. Just select emulator and just select the package of the Android. So next select the package of the Android app. If you see here com.example.android. So let's see what is the package of this Android app. If you want to know, you need to go to Android manifest file. So here you can observe there is package com example android. So this is com example android, and here you can see in logs there are so many logs, but these are not related to this current Android app. If you want to filter the logs only related to this Android app, here in the right side we have no filters. Just select show only selected application. So now you can see we have seen only the logs related to this emulator or the device, and you can see the all logs we have written. This is debug logs, This is error message, we are seeing in a red color. This is information, and this is warning message, we are seeing in blue color. And if you see here, you can see the levels of logs here. Suppose if you select a debug here, then you will be seeing all the logs related to debug, info, warning, error, everything. Just select debug. So there is no change because we will be seeing all the logs below this debug. If you select information, then we won't be seeing the debug logs. So here we have a log, this debug logs. Just select info. So you can see there is no debug logs. And now select warning. If you select warning, you will be seeing only warning message, error and asset. You won't be seeing debug and information. Just select warning. So you have seen warning and the error. So warning and the error. If you select error, then you will be seeing only the error and the other type. There is asset. We are not seeing in this video. So just select error. So you will be seeing only the error message. So here you can see there is a hierarchy of the levels of logs. So debug means you will be seeing every log. Information means you won't be seeing debug. Warning means you won't be seeing information and debug. Error means you will be seeing only error message. And again select debug, you will be seeing every log. And if you want to see only the logs related to this application, you need to do show only selected application. Otherwise you will be seeing so many logs which are related to other applications in an emulator or Android project. So I hope you like this video and understood how to introduce a logs in an Android app and how to search and filter those logs in the Logcat. And the last thing you want to know is this search box. Suppose if you want to search all the logs by a word, then you need to enter a word here. Then you will be getting all the lines containing that word. Just enter debug. So here we have only one line which is having a debug word, so we got one line. So just enter this so that we will get all these 4 lines. So this word is containing 4 lines, we have got all the 4 lines. So the other way of searching is just enter Control F. So when you enter Control F, you will get this search box. Then you can enter here. Then you will be seeing all the words which you entered. So that's it for the video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you for watching.